Pongal Festival. Pongal is a multi-day Hindu harvest festival celebrated by Tamils. The festival is celebrated over 3 or 4 consecutive days, which are named Bogi, the Pongal, Matu Pongal, and Kanu Pongal, beginning on the last day of the Tamil calendar month of Margazhi. The Pongal is observed on the first day of the Tamil calendar month of Thai and usually falls on 14th or 15th January in the Gregorian calendar. According to tradition, the festival marks the end of winter and the start of the sun's 6 month long journey northwards called Uttarayana when the sun enters Capricorn. It is dedicated to the solar deity Surya and corresponds to Makar Sankranti, the Hindu observance celebrated under various regional names across the Indian subcontinent. The festival is named after the ceremonial Pongal, which means boiling over or overflow in Tamil language and refers to the traditional dish prepared by boiling rice with milk and jaggery. Matu Pongal is meant for celebration of cattle, and the cattle are bathed, their horns polished and painted in bright colors with garlands of flowers placed around their necks and processions on the day. The festival is traditionally an occasion for decorating with rice powder based kolam artworks, offering prayers at home, visiting temples, getting together with family and friends, and exchanging gifts to renew social bonds of solidarity. Pongal is also referred to as Tamilar Tirunal, Festival of Tamils, and is one of the major festivals celebrated by the Tamil people across various religions. It is observed by the Tamil diaspora in the Indian state of Tamil Nadu, parts of South India, Sri Lanka, and other parts of the world with significant Tamil population. The principal theme of Pongal is thanking the sun god Surya, the forces of nature, and the farm animals and people who support agriculture. The festival is mentioned in an inscription found at the Veera Raghava Swami temple. Attributed to the Chola king Kulothunga, the inscription describes a grant of land to the temple for celebrating the annual Pongal festivities. While the festival is observed for 3 or 4 days in Tamil Nadu, but for 1 or 2 days in urban locations and by the Tamil diaspora outside South Asia. Bogi. Bogi marks the first day of the Pongal festivities and is celebrated on the last day of the Tamil calendar month Margazhi. On this day, people discard old belongings and celebrate new possessions. The people assemble and light a bonfire in order to burn the heaps of discards. Houses are cleaned and painted and decorated to give a festive look. Prayers are offered to Indra, the king of gods, with thanks and hopes for plentiful rains in the year ahead. Fruits of the harvest are collected along with flowers of the season, and a mixture of treats along with money is given to children who then separate and collect the money and sweet fruits. Thai Pongal is the main festive day, celebrated on the next day of Bogi. It is observed on the first day of the Tamil calendar month of Thai and usually falls on 14th or 15th January as per the Gregorian calendar. It is dedicated to the sun deity Surya and corresponds to Makar Sankranti, the harvest festival under various regional names celebrated throughout India. According to tradition, the festival marks the end of winter and the start of the sun's 6 month long journey northwards when the sun enters the Capricorn and also called as Uttarayana. Dedicated to Surya, it is celebrated with family and friends with new clothes worn and the preparation of the traditional Pongal dish in an earthen pot. The pot is typically decorated by tying a turmeric plant of flower garland and placed in the sun along with sugarcane stalks. The homes are decorated with banana and mango leaves, decorative florals, and columns. Relatives and friends are invited when the pongal starts to boil and overflow out of the vessel. Participants blow a conch or make sounds while shouting Pongalo Pongal. May this rice boil over. In rural areas, people sing traditional songs while the Pongal dish is cooking. The Pongal dish is first offered to Surya and Ganesha and then shared with the gathered friends and family. People traditionally offer prayers to the sun in the open and then proceed to eat their meal. A community pongal is an event where families gather at a public place for a ceremonial worship. Matu Pongal, which means Madu, meaning cow in Tamil, is the third day of the festival meant for the celebration of cattle. The cattle is regarded as sources of wealth as it is a means for dairy products and fertilizers used for transportation and agriculture. The cattle are bathed, their horns are polished and painted in bright colors with garlands of flowers placed around their necks and taken for processions. Some decorate their cows with turmeric water and apply shikakai and kumkuma to their foreheads. The cattle are fed sweets including pongal, jaggery, honey, banana, and other fruits. People may prostrate before them with words of thanks for their help with the harvest. Kanu Pongal is the fourth day of the festival and marks the end of Pongal festivities for the year. The word Kanu in the context means to visit, and families hold reunions on this day. Communities organize social events to strengthen mutual bonds and consume food and sugarcane during social gatherings. Young people visit elders to pay respects and seek blessings, with elders giving gifts to the visiting children. Traditions and practices. Pongal is traditionally an occasion for decorating, offering prayers in the home, temples, getting together with family and friends, and exchanging gifts to renew social bonds of solidarity. It is viewed more as a social festival since the contemporary celebrations do not necessarily link into temple rituals. Temples and cultural centers organize the ritual cooking of Pongal dish along with fairs, Pongal Mela with handicrafts, crafts, pottery, saris, ethnic jewelry for sale. These sites hold traditional community sports such as Uri Adital, Pallanguri, and Kabaddi, as well as group dance and music performances in major cities and towns. The festival is marked with colorful kolam artwork. Kolam is a form of traditional decorative art that is drawn by using rice flour, often along with natural or synthetic color powders. It includes geometrical line drawings composed of straight lines, curves, and loops drawn around a grid pattern of dots. The festival is named after the Pongal dish, which forms the festival's most significant practice. The dish is prepared by boiling freshly harvested rice in cow milk and raw cane sugar. Additional ingredients such as coconut and ghee, along with spices such as cardamom, raisins, and cashews, are also used. The cooking is done in a clay pot that is often garlanded with leaves of flowers, sometimes tied with a piece of turmeric root. It is either cooked at home or in community gatherings, such as in temples or villages, in open spaces. The cooking is done in sunlight, usually in a porch or courtyard, and the dish is dedicated to the sun god Surya. After it is traditionally offered to the gods and goddesses first, followed sometimes by cows, then to friends and families gathered. The dish and process of its preparation is a part of the symbolism both conceptually and materially. It celebrates the harvest, and the cooking symbolizes the transformation of the gift of agriculture into nourishment for the gods and the community on a day that when the sun god is believed to start the journey north. The dish Boiling over is believed to symbolically mark the blessings by Parvati. It is the ritual dish, along with many other courses, prepared from seasonal foods for the gathering. Jallikattu. The day marks a ritual visit to nearby temples where communities hold processions by parading icons from the sanctum of the temple in wooden chariots, drama dance performances, encouraging social gatherings and renewal of community bonds. Other events during Pongal include community sports and games such as Jallikattu or bull fighting. Jallikattu is a traditional event held during the period attracting huge crowds in which a bull is released into a crowd of people and multiple human participants attempt to grab the large hump on the bull's back with both arms and hang onto it while the bull attempts to escape. Kanupidi is a tradition observed on Mattu Pongal by women and young girls where they place a leaf of turmeric plant outside their home and feed Pongal dish and food to the birds, particularly crow, and pray for their brothers' well-being. Brothers pay special tribute to their married sisters by giving gifts as affirmation of their love. The final day concludes the festival's themes of gratitude to nature and the celebration of the harvest season.